In the design of the workshops, we're focusing on both the caregivers and the children because we want them to learn in partnership. It's a very powerful experience for caregivers to sit with their children and actively learn and explore together.
The multi-generational idea is to bring the whole family unit into a session. These workshops are for anybody that works with young children or has young children in the home. Sometimes we do have the cousins and the aunties and uncles and grandparents.
When families are invested in children's learning, research tells us that they are better off academically, they're better off socially and emotionally, and also they graduate high school at a higher rate. It builds the family's confidence when they know that they can have an effect on children's lives.
I think it makes the parents see a different light or a different side of learning. And when the parents are engaged with their own child, it makes it so much fun.
And this one more. Let's try another one. And this one is which one is it? Yeah, good job.
So mommies, daddies, adults, feel free to ask your children, what were you doing? What cards did you use?
The facilitator's primary job is definitely modeling. They're providing the adults with the kinds of questions that they can ask their children, and they're letting the families really guide their own learning.
Does this look big?
Yeah. What if you put the flashlight back? See, it looks smaller.
We encourage the families to take their own route, to use their own unique experiences and explore in a way that makes sense to them.
How can I do this?
So try again. That's it.
It's magical to see families connecting with each other. And to be given that space where a parent's not making dinner, running around and trying to do all this stuff, they have designated time and space to be with each other and learn from each other.